Hello and welcome to the PMC Atlanta here in Kennesaw. Today we're going to show you some of our software functions available on all of our Heidelberg presses and also on our new Prinect Press Center 3. So the function that we're going to show you today is our roller check assistant. We highlight the settings button, we then come into the machine part of the screen and we select print function. And from here we've got various functions. We are going to select roller check assistant. We highlight this here. We can do one of two options. We can do the inking and the dampening singularly, one at a time, or we can do both together. For this instance, we're just going to do the inking rollers on printing unit 5. We highlight the desired unit. It comes up with an option, inking up, weight and printing. We then press to get the press going. So at the moment, we are inking up. And what this does, it actually inks up all the rollers and drops them into a certain position on the press. As you can see, we are now waiting. This is the inkers to drop to the plate to get a decent strip. We can now go into the printing part. We start the press. The press will now go in and print 12 sheets. We now have our printed sheet with our roller stripes on, as you can see. With this mylar sheet, we can now check the inking stripes on the actual plate. So from the lead edge, we set the mylar down and we can see 4 to plate, 3 to plate, 4 to the rider roller, 2 to the plate, 1 to the plate, 2 to the rider roller, 3 to the rider roller, and at the back there we can see 1 to the rider roller. As you can see from this mylar, everything is designated, the dampening system and the ink train system. Now the measurements and the increments that we need to move. Once we set the mylar down, we can see that our strip is near enough perfect. On the left hand side of the gauge we can see the measurement. In this point, 4 to the plate is 2 millimeters. Increasing it or decreasing it quarter of a turn will enhance it or decrease it 1 millimeter. The same goes for 3 to plate and 4 to the rider. 4 to the rider is half a turn because of the diameter. From here we can make adjustments to all of our rollers if required. But as you can see from here, all of these settings are as factory set as they should be. We can show you quickly how to do an adjustment. So here is where the roller adjustments are made. This here is 4 to the plate, 3 to the plate. These adjustments up here are these to the rider rollers. If we go to the other side of the unit, over this side of the printing unit, we have adjustments for the second inking roller to the plate, first inking roller to the plate. We also have dampening settings here, which we can adjust accordingly to set the dampening unit as well. We also have adjustments here for the actual rider roller to the inking form roller. Thank you for watching this short presentation. We hope to see you again soon with one of our next video presentations. Thank you.